Today I will share the article from the National Geography named Super-Anting Type to Mysterious COVID-19 Syndrome in Child. Child who had caught the COVID-19 since February and you soon outnumber the population of Boston. Fortunately, most of these probable cases had a comparative mild illness, and somewhere between 16 and 45% of children may not any symptoms at all. Yes, some in this group, generally defined as those under the age of 21, go on to develop a serious condition called inflammatory syndrome in children, or MISC. Thanks to months of urgent research, what began as a mysterious stream of symptoms has into the developable illness, with early signs that include fever, rashes, abdominal pain, and vomiting. Raw MISC is the raised case in the US so far. It can develop into survives in a matter of hours. Center from the USA for Disease Control and Prevention coordinates in people under 21 and found the majority were from MISC. It happens so rapidly and the kids are so ill that 17% will require admission into ICU. A physician scientist at the University of Texas in San Antonio, who recently published an analysis of results from Monty's scientific paper in case of MISC, even as the clarity measure around the early stage of the syndrome, question mounting about its true and its long-term outcomes. Usually develops several weeks after the classing of the coronavirus appear in cases such as cold body, a cat, and runny nose. Studies has also revealed that the condition can appear after infection with the virus. That's the sad part, says Maria. It can develop even when parents don't know their children had COVID-19. The prologists are also under scrutiny after a handful of studies found that even after cleaning the airways may continue to replicate in the digestive system, particularly in child. It's discovery with far beyond the rate with the pediatric case. The data shows the virus can land in stop up to a month. Syndrome of the center of the gut at the Chinese University of Hong Kong. Other recent research into the virus may produce boost to the disease impact and why some patients' systems go heavier. The implication is that COVID isn't just a respiratory disease. When doctors first encountered child with those strange symptoms first in Italy and in the UK, they suspect this is another serious illness in young children, which caused in blood vessels with some clinical symptoms overlap. There are clinical difficulties, mostly and experts on Kawasaki disease and professor of the pediatrics and biomedical science at KSNI Medical Center in Los Angeles. Most MSC patients are older. The median age of the affected is mild, while Kawasaki patients are generally under 2. They also carry high level of biomarkers proteins found in blood tests that pretend levels, and they often experience severe abdominal pain to the point that they are confused with appetitions. Along with Caleb, distinguished professor of the computing and system biology at the University of Pittsburgh, clues as how to the virus could cause the real reactions. The cells caught a special shape with a space with a chain to protection on the surface of human cells called H. It looks like a microscopic version of those barriers that get stuck on your sock after head. Unlike other nodes correcting behind the found that SAS cover has a unvariable feature in one part of its light. This spell-like fragment resembles the token known as super attention the generate expensive that serve cover research from immune system overreaching of casing of excess that permanently damage many parts of the body. YMSA has a pair of the happen during blood infection like a bacterial test short symptom. We could expect that to elicit the same type of very strong response. Here is the revelation might branch how why and the kernel caused the type of the information. We finally found the virus vaccine that may induce all routes impression, not only in MISC, but possibly in adjacent covered. A new CDC study launched overlooked because it out the same weekend as President Trump covered data shows that even adults with the virus can develop a severe gestation and symptom without severe illness and cause the condition MISC for adults.